Hello, welcome to next session. In this session, we will solve Mechanical Engineering Paper 1 of year 2025 of Civil Services Mains Exam. So, first of all, reading out instructions, question paper specific instructions. Please read each of the following instructions carefully before attempting questions. There are 8 questions divided into sections and printed both in Hindi and in English. Candidate has to attempt 5 questions in all. Question number 1 and 5 are compulsory, and out of the remaining, any three are to be attempted, choosing at least one question from each section. The number of marks carried by a question or part is indicated against it. Answers must be written in the medium authorized in the admission certificate, which must be stated clearly on the cover of this question come answer QCA booklet in the space provided. No marks will be given for answers written in a medium other than the authorized one. Wherever any assumptions are made for answering a question, they must be clearly indicated. Diagram or figures, wherever required, shall be drawn in the space provided for answering the question itself. Unless otherwise mentioned, symbols and notations carry their usual standard meaning. Attempts of questions shall be counted in sequential order unless struck off. Attempt of a question shall be counted even if attempted partly. Any page or portion of the page left blank in the question come answer QCA booklet must be clearly struck off. So in section A, question number 1A is a gripper is shown in figure. A horizontal force F is equal to 50 Newton is applied at the handle of the lever at E. The mean diameter of single square threaded screw at C and E is 25 mm and lead is 5 mm. Determine the clamping force dwelt at G. The coefficient of static friction mu s is equal to 0.3. So this is the figure given. This is an E, and diameter of this threaded screw is your 25 mm and lead is 5 mm. This dimension is 125 mm. This is 200. This is 200. So here, first of all, by applying this 50 Newton force at LE horizontally like this, okay, the torque dwelt will be your 50 into this dimension. This dimension in mm is 125 and in meter it is 125 by 1000. So this is the torque in Newton meter. But the torque applied can also be written in terms of surface force or FB force applied uh, at the mean diameter of screw multiplied by equivalent radius. So this is FB into R equivalent is mean radius or equivalent radius. FB into R equivalent or F into this dimension is same thing. So this torque applied can be written in terms of 50 into 125 by 1000 and also in terms of FB into RB. FB is force applied at the mean diameter of the bone, because here the force we have applied at the end of the lever, but if we apply FB force at the mean diameter of the or at the mean surface of the threaded screw, it will produce same effect as that of F. that is applied at 125 mm radius. Okay, so FB is the force applied at the periphery of both, and this FB can be written as W tangent alpha plus pi, where alpha is helix angle that is given by lead by periphery L by pi d. Lead is given as 5 mm and mean diameter is given as 25 mm. So alpha will come out as 3.644 and pi is your friction angle. So pi is your tangent inverse coefficient of friction, that is 0.3, that is 16 point. So it will be 16.69. Okay, so F is your W tangent alpha plus pi, and now this value is 0.37. So FB is 0.37 W. Okay, and R is 25 by 2 or 25 by 2 mm or 25 by 2 1000 meter. So equating 1 and 2, we can find out W. So now W is the force here. Okay, where we have to find out this force, gripping force or clamping force. So if we take moment about A, we can find out this Fg. So Fg into 200, W into 200 will be your 1359, 1351.351 meter, or this is the clamp.